In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Constant Contact account, whether you're moving to a different service or simply don't need it anymore. Canceling your account is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First, you'll need to head over to constantcontact.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the home page, the next thing to do is locate your profile icon. You'll find it at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on the Settings option. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your account. Here, you'll find all your account settings neatly organized, making it easy to navigate. Now, look for the Billing section. This is where you'll manage your subscription details. Clicking on Billing will give you access to all billing-related settings and information. It's always a good idea to review these details to make sure you understand your current plan and any upcoming charges. If you're using a paid plan, you'll see the option to cancel your subscription right here. Simply click on Cancel Subscription. Keep in mind that by doing this, you'll be ending your current plan and services associated with it. It might be wise to ensure that you've backed up any necessary data or contacts you might need in the future before proceeding with this step. Before finalizing the cancellation, Constant Contact might ask for a reason for your decision. This feedback can help them improve their services. You can choose to provide a reason from the list, or if you prefer, you can skip this step. Once that's done, confirm your cancellation, and you should receive a confirmation email shortly after, letting you know that your account has been successfully canceled. And that's it. Canceling your Constant Contact account is as simple as following these steps. Remember, if you change your mind or need to use the service again, you can always reactivate your account by logging back in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you with canceling your Constant Contact account. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.